Welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10, Bio, Chapter 1, Introduction to Biology. Let's start.
Amphibians, reptiles. Amphibians. Example: frog. Characteristics: vertebrates with moist, scaleless skin. Larva has gills and adult has lungs. Poikilothermic. Eggs laid in water. Larva, tadpole, lives in water, which metamorphoses into adult. Adult often lives on land. Example: frogs, newts, and salamanders.
Reptiles. Example: snake. Characteristics: vertebrates with scaly skin, some limbless. Lungs present. Poikilothermic. Lay eggs with shells. Example: lizards, snakes, turtles.
You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.